Issuing student transcripts. Issuing transcripts can be done for one or more students at a time. To issue transcripts for many students at a time, select the main menu, Reports. Then select the Transcripts Report. Filter the list of students as needed. And then select one or more students. You can also use the Select All checkbox. Finally, select the Issue Transcript button. To issue a transcript for one student, select Students from the main menu. And select the desired student. Then select the student menu, Transcripts. Finally, select the Issue Transcript button. Both methods will bring you to the Issue Transcript window with the same options. First, select the transcript template that you want to use. For more information on transcript templates, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Transcripts section. Next, select for which year you want to issue the transcript for. And enter a name for the file name. You now have 3 options. The preview option will open a new window with a PDF of the transcript. This allows you to view the transcript, to check it for any issues before saving it. You can then use your browser's print function to print the transcript, or to download the file to your computer. The Save to Student option will save the transcript to the student without first previewing it. You will then be able to access the transcript from the student's transcripts page. And the last option is to save it to the student and email it at the same time. After saving the transcript to the student, you can then preview the transcript for printing and downloading by selecting the Preview button. You can delete a transcript by selecting the Delete button. And you can email a transcript as an attachment by selecting the Email button. This option will open the Compose email window, which will contain the transcript as an email attachment. For detailed instructions on how to send emails, see the appropriate help tutorial in the email section.